guys, once again, and welcome to our channel Everything That I Can. In the last video we added colors to text, and in this video we will be working on C++ language in the for loop tutorial. The for loop. So I will telling you all the details of the for loop. So guys, let's get started. So now I will start writing the code and explaining you line by line. So the first would be include stream. This is the basics of all programs, almost all programs. And then we would be writing we don't need any library for the we will be using namespace std and then int main. So these are the basics you would want to know. Now we would be return. So this is the basic, and now we will be writing our programs, the for loop. So now we would be writing for, we will be taking an integer like say n. So for int n is equals to 1, n is lesser than 10, and n plus plus, and then n plus plus, n is equals to 1. The value of n is 1, and then n is lesser than 10. So n can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these can be the values of n because n is lesser than 10. And then so this was additional, this was of no use. I will paste it here, and then we would be saying like count the row number is, like then we will be writing the integer value n, because the row number it would give like n 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. The row number is, and we would put this, the row number is like n, and then we will do this handle and this column. And now if we run a program, then it is showing the row number is 1 2 3 4 c. It is showing the row number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It is not showing 10 because the condition gets false there. N has to be lesser than 10. So if n is 10 or greater than 10, then the condition would be false, and it is not possible if we write this program. And if we write then 20, then it would show till 20 but not 20. See, 9, it is showing till 90. Till 90. Then if we don't want this, the row number, if we just need the numbers, then we will write we will remove all this. Like it will show n only. Like you can see, it is printing only the numbers. So you can print like a range of numbers if you want, and then it is in the increasing value, or we can get it in decreasing value also, but in decreasing value it would go to -1. So let's take n is equals to 1000, and n is greater than 10. So n minus minus. So it would print out from 1000 like 999, 998 to 11. Like see, if we go this n minus minus, it would print out till 11. It would not print out 10. See, it has started from 1000 because the value we have taken here is 1000. If we haven't taken 1001, then it would also say that 1001 like 11, and it is taking in the starting value is 1001, and minus it is in the decreasing value now. So let's take a small number like 50. Then n is greater than 10, so it will print from 50 to it will print out from 50 to 11 because n is greater than 10 and 11 is greater than 10. We can't say that 10 is greater than 10, so it didn't print out 10. So this was the use of for. You can use it in it is used in many games to print out the graph. Like if I do this, like if we have to make an infinite loop, so we will do n is equals so we will start from like 1 and then n is lesser than, like take this number, it would print out from 1 till this number. See, it would take many time. You have to sit for minutes for this. In fact, hours for this. It would take many time. The program has stopped because I clicked this. Now I will continue the program. So as you can see, it is printing out. It won't stop till 1000 and like the number which I have typed. Let's see what is this. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10 lakh crore. Which is going crore, also billion, trillion. I don't know what it is. Now it is out. Why waste time in this? Let's cancel it. And let's take a smaller number. Like take 1000. Like take 1000. Then it would print 999. It will not take time, so it has done it in seconds. So this was the for loop. So I hope you have understood. You can put in the decreasing value also. N is equals to, like we take 1000 here. N is lesser than minus 1000. Minus. So because I have written this here, now it would be this. Like now it would be printing in the decreasing order from 1000 to 1. Error is coming. Something wrong here. Oh, it is some error. Please wait. Oh, the error was that I have done it like this. So I have first specified the value of 1000 and then I am saying 1 is greater than 1000. I am sorry for that. So we will do n is greater than 1. So now it would run the program. See, till 2 because n is greater than 1. If it would print out 1, so that would be wrong. So we can see this. So this was the basic of the for loop. I hope you have understood. You can put in the decreasing order. You can put in the decreasing order. You can put it in the increasing order. Like that. It is used in games to print out a graph like this. So I would be soon uploading a video of making a scientific and a currency calculator. So please subscribe if you like the video, and if I had made any mistake then please comment it to me. So, thank you guys. See you in the next video.